89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew. 10:50 in the morning is the time right about now. And the time check brought to you, of course, by Royal Duty Free. All right, they have their ongoing promo, all right, for Father's Day. All right, you guys know, on Father's Day, June 16, 2024, all of you RPC Gold holders, Royal Privilege card holders that are dads will be receiving free haircut and coffee courtesy of Royal Duty Free. So calling all blue and gold RPC dads this Father's Day, Royal Duty Free has something special for you. June 16, 2024, head on to Royal Duty Free shops, Store 1 and Store 2. Meron to, no? Free haircut and coffee. Our way of celebrating and pampering the amazing dads in our community. So don't miss out on this exclusive treat. Mark your calendars and make this Father's Day extra special. This coming Father's Day na po, ha? This coming Sunday. This is my final reminder for you guys. Dahil walang morning brew ng Saturday and Sunday, Friday na ngayon. Kaya, ayun, June 16, Sunday is the Father's Day. All dads, avail of the free haircut and ano pa ba? The free coffee and probably a whole lot more. Mabait si Kuya Eric Santos ng marketing baka dagdagan pa niya ng cash. Baka lang naman. Hi to, speaking of Sir Eric, everybody at the marketing department and everybody at Royal Duty Free. Happy Friday to you guys. Happy weekend. Okay? And so that's the promo for Father's Day at Royal Duty Free shops. Call them up 2523-258 for more inquiries or visit their official social media pages. And of course, the official website, www.royalsubic.com, the official website where the catalog is always posted. And right about now, let me give you today's holidays and observances. Hindi pa Father's Day, Sunday pa. Siyempre, meron ding holidays and observances ang today, Friday, June 14, brought to you this time by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Okay? 0927-950-8775 for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch. Alright? And for the Subic Bay Freeport Branch, medyo close pa rin up to now yata, no? Oo. Staffing pa rin ang Subic Bay Freeport Branch. We're working on our staffing. 0927-895-9714. Delivery hotline numbers if you want yours delivered. The best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers, all right, plus buy one take one burgers, sandwiches, and a whole lot more, and the combo meals. All right, on with today's holidays and observances. June 14, 2024 is World Blood Donor Day. Do you guys know June 14 is World Blood Donors Day? The event was organized for the first time back in 2004 by 4 core international organizations of the World Health Organization and the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. All right? So, June 14, Happy Blood Donors Month. Yours truly, I myself is also a blood donor. I regularly donate blood like every 3 months. Okay? Pero this time around, it's been 4 months na yata. I'm way past due. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna donate na lang on June 21. Ayan, our World Blood Donor celebration dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. June 21 at the Harbor Point, okay? I'll give you more details of that a little later. What else? Today is also for the US of A. All right? Our ally. Ally daw, sabi. Pero ano no? Parang, what kind of ally lets their allies have their islands taken by somebody else? Ilang beses na Oh, di ba? Anyway, let's not delve deep into that anymore. United States is celebrating today Flag Day. Okay? A couple of weeks ago, we had our own Flag Day. Usually, Flag Day is, not usually, yun talaga. Flag Day is 2 weeks before the Independence Day celebration. All right, there you go. So, the US will be celebrating their Independence Day soon, July 4. Okay, malapit na. Kaya Flag Day na nila. Alright, Flag Day for the US of A. Also, June 14 is Army's birthday. Alright, Army, the worldwide celebration ito. All armies in the world. Ayan, Army birthday ang June 14. Chop Suey Day marks the day that the chop suey was invented or created. The most vegetably delicious ulam, chop suey. Okay? And what else? Today is also Family History Day. International Bath Day. So take a bath if you haven't yet. Bourbon Day. Bourbon is a type of whiskey. The difference, you'll know it's bourbon. Medyo mangasim-ngasim. Yun ang bourbon eh. It was described as that way. Medyo maasim-asim ang bourbon na whiskey. Okay? June 14 is also movie night. In the Tommy G household, every weekend is movie night. Next up we have No Mailing Children Day. Oh, hindi mo talaga dapat you're not supposed. No one is supposed to mail children. Okay. What else? Today is also Poultry Day or Poultry Days, 14, 15, and 16. The full weekend. All right. And what else? For the Friday of Men's Health Week, tuwing June, wear blue day. Wear something blue. Oh, sakto. I'm wearing blue. Well, what do you know? Wear blue day today. For Men's Health ito, celebration. Okay? All right. And do you guys know, Friday before Father's Day is Work at Home Father's Day. So yung mga father dyan na work at home. They work at home, meaning sila yung sa home, sila yung naglalaba. Sila yung nagsasaing. Naalala ko tuloy yung kapitbahay ko. Sinigawan, sabi, oy, Tolome! Tolome yung pangalan eh. Tapang nung asawa kasi, Tolome, magsaing ka na! Sabi ng gano'n. Pumalag. Wag mo akong sigawan! Ilang gatang! At least he's shouting back. Di ba? Hindi siya nagpapaapi. So there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances, June 14, 2024, of course. And now, for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday to Ina Raimundo. All right. Celebrity, actress, model. Do you guys know she's still beautiful and sexy? Despite being 49? Am I right? She turns 49 today. June 14, 1978. Oh no, 48. There you go. Turns 48 today. Wow, still beautiful at 48. Ina Raimundo. And you guys know she has a daughter who's also equally sexy and beautiful. Balita lang, chismis lang. Also, happy birthday to G. Tonji, also an actress, model, and host VJ, all right? TV VJ model in the Philippines, of course, okay? And PBA player Danny Siegel, June 14, 1976. Do you guys know Danny Siegel, kapatid ni Andy Siegel, the Siegel brothers, even though they are American citizens, pero Filipino-American eh. Their mom is Filipina. Do you know how they were discovered? Alam mo nyo naman yung mga PBA scouts, they go around the US, tinitingnan yung mga magagaling maglaro na may Filipino lineage in their blood. Funny story. Nalaman na they have Filipino lineage. Kasi apelido nila Siegel eh. You'll never know tapos they don't look Filipino much. Konti lang yung Filipino attributes sa mukha nila pag tinignan mo. Both Danny and Andy Siegel. In their yearbook, may nakabasa na favorite food, adobo. There you go. Adobo always wins the day. It won the day for that PBA basketball scout. All right. So Danny Siegel was born June 14, 1976. All right. Retired Filipino PBA player. And next up we have Tita Duran. Matagal na to, no? Siyempre. June 14, 1929. From the golden age of Philippine cinema. Ayan, si Tita Duran. One of the most beautiful, precious face. Alam niyo yung mga kapanahunan nila, sila Tita Duran, sila Nida Blanca, yung mga sinaunang cinema beauties. Ang gaganda talaga nila. All right? Napakaganda during their days. yung beauty ng today is nothing compared to their beauties back then. The beauties of the Filipina actresses in the golden age of Philippine cinema. Okay? June 14, 1929, si Tita Duran. All right? And next up we have Renren Ritualo, another PBA player. He was once known as the sniper dahil shooter eh. Shooter talaga eh. June 14, 1979. Si Renren Ritualo, retired PBA player. All right? And comedian Pecto. Everybody knows Pecto, right? June 14, 1973. He turns 51 today. Mm-hmm. And next up we have, the Don. Make America Great Again. Donald Trump. June 14, 1946. All right, the Donald turns 78 today. Wow. Happy birthday to you, President Trump. All right. I'm not a big fan of Donald Trump, pero the way the case went against him, yung paglilitis niya, the process that it went through, it's crazy, you know. I'm no American, pero syempre I've been watching it in the news from an outsider's perspective point of view. Parang lutong Macau yung pag-aano sa kanya eh, no? Yung paglakad ng kaso niya eh. 'Di ba? There are attorney generals or high court officials that are like campaigning against him, parang ganoon. Parang it's crazy, no? Parang hindi yata patas, hindi there was no justice there. I don't care if Donald Trump gets, pero the way, I'm talking about the way, the process that they did, I don't totally agree. I don't agree. Not totally. I totally not agree. Parang hindi tama eh, no? Parang nagkaroon ng kampihan, lutuan. Hindi naman ako big fan ni Donald Trump. Parang nakakainis lang na yung justice system, parang kinengkoy eh, no? Parang ganon. Di ba? You guys notice that? If you didn't notice, you're not following the news. Okay? And TV actress Lucy Hale, June 14, 1989, turns 35 today. And Tsuyu of the girl group from South Korea, Twice. Ayan, Twice yung pangalan ng group. You guys familiar with Twice? Di ba? Sikat din ng Twice. You know? They got hits that became popular here in the Philippines. Okay? And Jessie Nelson of Little Mix. All right? Their 2012, do you guys know their 2012 debut album, DNA, broke the Spice Girls chart record for an all-female group. All right? But maybe you don't know also, she already left in 2020 sa Little Mix. All right? They didn't broke up, but yeah, she just left. All right? All right. Next up, we have happy birthday to Boy George of Culture Club. He was born June 14, 1961. Turns 63 today. All right. So let's put in a Culture Club song para to get you familiar, especially the younger generation, yung mga hindi na familiar, no? Kay Boy George at the Culture Club. Okay? And next up, we have Daryl Sabara. In case you don't know, he is Junie Cortez in the Spy Kids. Turns 32 today. Natatawa ako dahil I remember, napanood ko pa dati yung Spy Kids. And Daryl Sabara is now 32. Spy Kids, as in kids. He was just a kid there. He turns 30. How old am I? I already have a kid when I was watching him in Spy Kids. Dahil, my daughter was just, 5, 6 years old then. Okay. And next up, we have Glee's Kevin McHale. All right. He was the wheelchair dude there. His role character there is named R.T. Abrams in Glee. Kevin McHale, June 14, 1988. And lastly, comedian Alan Carr from England, June 14, 1976. He's a good comedian. All right. He's openly gay and he's a good comedian. He turns 48 today. So you guys go see his works. It's uploaded on YouTube. In case you don't know who's Alan Carr. I don't know if he's related to Jimmy Carr, who's also a British comedian. But they don't look alike. Maybe a little. All right. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them. All of you. June 14 birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910 6909 I almost forgot my own number. I'm gonna have to repeat that. 0910 6909 501. Birthday shoutouts, that is. Okay. So let's put in a song from Culture Club. All right. This is Karma Chameleon with Boy George on lead vocals. Today's birthday celebrant. And tama-tama, Friday Rewind song ito. Iconic Friday Rewind song, in fact. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.